Okay, so before moving forward, there's just a quick video I got to record here. So if you are someone who gets really anxious or again has a panic disorder associated with longer breath holds or a you have a strong response to air hunger, there are going to be certain exercises on this list that you're going to want to limit this practice to. These exercise all of the exercise 2 variants are going to fall under that, so that's going to be a good place to start, along with one of these step exercises where you're only holding your breath for maybe 5 to 10 paces, and exercise 6, which is many small breath holds. Now in exercise 2, some of these you can hold for very long, but in your case you may only want to limit the maximum hold time to maybe 15-20 seconds. Slowly over time, you can increase this as you feel comfortable. But again, it's really important to not take this further than you feel comfortable with. So there is a little bit of trial and error here in terms of what you feel and how much you can tolerate. So you're going to have to work with that. Over time, that will get a little bit better. So just something to kind of keep in mind before we jump in to the exercise 2 variants, which we are going to in the next video. So I'll see you there.